If you've been looking to move into Hingham, Massachusetts, but you're looking for at least 4 bedrooms and at least 1 acre of land, then stay tuned because this neighborhood is going to be perfect for you. Today, I'm going to take you on a driving tour through the Kress Farm neighborhood here in Hingham, Massachusetts. Now, this is a fantastic neighborhood, great location in town, and these houses, as I mentioned, have at least 4 bedrooms, and every single one of them is sitting on at least 1 acre of land, with one of the houses sitting on over 8 acres of land. So stay tuned as I take you through this neighborhood tour and show you everything you need to know about the Kress Farm neighborhood. And by the way, my name is Sean Murphy with Living on the South Shore and Real, and this is what I do. I specialize in helping people just like you relocate and move within the state of Massachusetts, within the town of Hingham, or relocate from somewhere else in the country. So if you have any questions at any point during this video, you can comment below, or you can find my contact information in the description below as well. Send me a text or send me an email. That's the best way to get a hold of me. And don't forget, of course, to subscribe to the channel and check out all my other videos on here about the South Shore and even the other towns like Hingham, Cohasset, Marshfield, etc. But without further ado, let's get into the Kress Farm neighborhood here in Hingham, Massachusetts. All right, let's start it off how we always do. Show you where Hingham is on a map. Boston in the top left there. So you can see that Hingham, great location on the South Shore, easy commute into Boston, whether you're driving, taking the ferry, or even taking the train. Now, zoomed in picture, red pin being downtown Hingham, green pin being the Kress Farm neighborhood. And now we're going to go into this beautiful satellite video zooming in here on the neighborhood. So northeast location in town, you're super close to downtown, you're close to the library, which is honestly, 5-minute walk down the road, and you're in the East Elementary School District. But you'll notice as we pull into this neighborhood, all of the homes and this neighborhood in general are all very well taken care of. They're kept up very nicely. All the grounds are beautiful. And this used to be the Kress Dairy Farm way back in the day. The original home is still there on Levitt Street. And the Kress Farm neighborhood here started getting developed in the late 80s, 1987, 1988, where a majority of the homes were built. And then, of course, there's some houses that were built in the early 90s as well. But you can see as we're driving through here, these homes are very good sized homes. They all have very nice driveways, very nice entrances into the properties. And again, huge point here, all of these houses are sitting on at least 1 acre of land, and a majority of them are much more than that. So this neighborhood is made up of 2 roads, Kress Farm Road and Indian Rock Lane. We're about to make a right here on Indian Rock Lane. Between those 2 roads, there are 22 homes in total, and they all, as I mentioned before, have at least 4 bedrooms. Now, you'll notice, too, this is a closed-in neighborhood, so you're not getting any through traffic. You'll notice I'm going to come to the end of Indian Rock Lane right here. It's a beautiful cul-de-sac. You turn around, so you can imagine the houses that have families in them, that kids are just riding their bikes around during the weekend. They're playing in the street. They're going to neighbors' houses. It's a really, really tight-knit community here. So I'm driving through here on a Tuesday morning at about 8:30 a.m. So you can see a lot of the landscapers are setting up. There's a little bit of traffic just with people getting to work and coming to do little jobs on each property. But you will see as I come to the end of Indian Rock Lane here, make a right back onto Kress Farm Road, it pretty much comes to an end. There are some smaller offshoot roads, but none of these roads are connecting to another big thoroughfare. So you're not getting any through traffic. The people that live here are really the only ones that are driving through. So you will see that little pillar, that stone pillar that we just passed on the right, that's kind of the end of the neighborhood. So I'm going to turn around right here, and you'll notice again, there's a road to your right, another road to the right there. Those are the little offshoot roads that don't really get any traffic whatsoever. But as I turn around, obviously, we're going to go head back out to the other end of the neighborhood. But let's talk about sales. So the most recent sale as of the recording of this video was in May 2025 for $2.2 million. There was one sale in 2024 for $3.1 million, and then one sale in 2023 for $2.5 million. So there's not a lot of turnover in this neighborhood, but when there is, these homes do sell at a heavy price point. And rightfully so, with its amazing location in town, the size of the homes that typically average about 4,300 square feet, the 4 bedrooms, the 1 acre at least of land that the house is sitting on, it's not surprising that they're fetching those price points. But as we come to the end of the tour here, I want to thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out all the other playlists and videos I have on here where I dive into all the other neighborhoods and towns of the South Shore. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My contact info is in the description below. But as always, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day.